students. Today in this class we learn about gender issue while teaching or using computers. The subject computers is introduced in a primary classes in most of the schools. Computer science as a major subject gets introduced only in high school. While teaching computers, there are many gender specific issues that must be addressed to enforce gender equity in computer science education. Let us talk about these gender issues. So we have example. Our first example is first topic is gender issue. So Gurvinder and Bela are computer science teachers at two different co-educational schools. Both sat in the class of the subject computer science. 60 to 70% are boys and rest are the girls. This trend, more boys opt for computer science than girls, has been continuing for years now. So under representation of girls is one major issue. There are some other issue as well. Let us discuss some major gender issue at school level computer science education. So first is under representation. In India, this has been commonly observed over cities that girls are underrepresented in a computer science studies, be it computer science major subject are high school or computer science major at college level. So there are far less girls than boys in a computer science section. A leading engineering institute in India has reported that there has been about 70% girls represented in computer science engineering in recent years. There are many factors that are attributed as the reasons behind this. These are preconceived notions. There are many preconceived notions prevalent that subconsciously play a role. Notions like boys are better at technical things, girls are good at humanities and arts, etc. Also in India, parents play an important role while deciding about subjects, and parents directly and indirectly push these preconceived notions influencing girls' decisions, and girls end up taking other subjects than computer science. Second is lack of interest. During primitive years, children often play games on computers, smartphones. Most games available today are boy-centric that increase their interest in computers. Also at homes, boys get to play more on computers, smartphones and develop more interest in computers than girls. Third is lack of motivation. Girls are pressurized to choose a career option which will give them work-life balance in favor of family roles they have to play later on. Girls are always told directly or indirectly in households that you have to play important family role later on. Indulging in a subject which will consume most of your time is not advisable, as no matter whatever job option you choose, you cannot shy away from your family role. This double burden theory also discourages girls from taking up technical subjects like computer science. Next is lack of role model. Girls these days see less of role models in the field of computer science whom they can imitate. TV, movies, advertisement, everywhere it is portrayed that is technical field like computer science are men's field. Next is lack of encouragement in a class. As there are lesser number of girls in a class, the teachers for most work assignment end up with choosing more boys. Also less number of girls means lesser peer encouragement. So today in this class we learned about gender issue while teaching using computers. So first was gender issue. In gender issue we learned what are the major gender issues. Is under representation. In under representation we have preconceived notions, lack of interest, lack of motivation, lack of role models and lack of encouragement in a class.